Right guys, what we have here is a P698 Plus airsoft gun. Have a quick look. It's quite a cheap gun. And it feels quite cheap. Full plastic. Not the best quality at all. I'm just going to have a quick look at some different guns, and I am going to be painting these up, putting different paint jobs on them, and so we can have a look what they're like. We have a ZM17 6mm BB gun. This one's a lot heavier. Hold back. The weight is actually in the clip. It's a full metal clip. I think that's a 15 round clip. Again, cheap guns. Here we have a CM .023 fully automatic machine gun. It's battery operated with 2 modes of fire. As you see, you've got full safety, single shot and full auto. This one does come with adjustable buttstock, quite a large capacity clip. Also comes with a dual clip. Small scope that really doesn't work. A sling and a battery charger. So I am going to be doing custom paint jobs on these guns. If you have any ideas of what kind of thing you'd like to see, if you just drop a comment below, and which gun you'd actually like to see done first, that'd be great. And if you'd like to like and subscribe, it'd be brilliant. Thanks a lot.